Okay, it's my third bike check because I keep on leaving out some key things. Okay. Alright. Fit Street Signature Handlebars. Fit Bike Co. Primo Grips. ODI Barends. Animal Stem. Moving down, I have a couple of Dance Comp stickers. Dance Comp. I've got some on the other side. 2 Go Skate stickers or whatever. Mankind Archangel forks, size 3/8. Front tire is a Primo E-Comet tire, highly recommended. It's bald, but it's made for park use. Front wheel setup is a Odyssey Vandero red front hub with laced U.S.A Made spokes to there's the rim. It was like the whole front wheel setup was Odyssey Vandero. So red hub laced with red and red hub laced with black spokes and black rim. Okay, Primo peg. Hoffman loyalty frame, 20.8 inches long from there to there. Okay, animal seat clamp, Macneil pivotal seat post, and animal black and white pivotal seat. DK social cranks with the titanium spindle in there. That little bolt in there is $100 alone. That little sucker cost me a lot. Animal Hamilton PC light blue plastic pedals. Alright, Animal 25-2 sprocket with a red and white KMC chain. Red, white, pretty sweet. Back here, Primo E-Comet back tire, just like the front one. With an Aliennation rim laced with black spokes to a proper 9-tooth cassette rear driver and a Primo back peg.